Hello AP Physics 1 students. Welcome to week 9 of this course. So glad you made it this far and have been working hard. I just want to start off by saying don't ever hesitate if you have questions or you need help. Don't ever hesitate contacting me either through the online learning platform here or email me, set up a Skype assignment or a Skype appointment. So I'm here. Don't think that just because this is an online course, you're doing distance learning, that there isn't help. So I just want to make sure that that is clear. We are jumping into the next chapter here and looking at uniform circular motion. So remember, I've been telling you that it's crucial that you understand everything as you move through this course and that you understand it well, because it is going to build upon itself. So what you're learning in a particular chapter is going to be used later on. And this chapter is a perfect example of that. You are going to be using your knowledge of kinematics as well as your knowledge of forces and your knowledge of Newton's laws in order to better understand motion that is happening in a circular manner. Okay? Chapter 5, you have to read this, read it carefully, and you're doing the problems 1 through 47 odd. Okay? This is in week 9 here. And day 2, there is a lab there for circular motion, so read that carefully and make sure you perform that as instructed, and then submit your report for that. Early on, I have a video here, and it talks about banked curves, just because it's a little more of a difficult concept to understand. But this video, if you watch it, is going to walk you through the problem-solving techniques for solving such a problem. It would be really helpful if you watch that video, so please do so. Make sure you are giving me some feedback, whether you need help. As I mentioned already before, there is an assignment here that you can use, and discussion 5 is there for you to respond to some of the questions and prompts. Reading quiz is available for you there. It just explains what is expected for that, so make sure you read that carefully before performing that particular quiz. Okay? Week 10 continues with uniform circular motion, and as always, there are some video lectures here that are available to you. Watching those will help you better understand each of the chapters. Okay? Here we have the lecture quiz, and in day 4, you can let me know if you need help. And then we wrap up this chapter, obviously chapter 5, with the chapter test. Make sure that you are showing your work in order to get full credit. When you go through the test, make sure that you are answering all the questions. Don't leave anything blank, but answer all the questions, and your answers on the test must match your answers on your work assignment. Okay? So, we're progressing along, moving along, and make sure that you understand things very well before racing off to the next chapter. Okay? Make sure you are using your time well. Make sure you are staying on top of everything. Make sure you're being disciplined, setting time aside each day to work on this course, just as if we were meeting in a regular school and you had a bell schedule that you had to stick to. Make sure you're applying yourself and finding time every day to work on this course, just like any other course. Okay? So keep up the good work. I'm here to help. Let me know if you need any assistance.